Hey! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now select while using the app and allow. Following that swipe up, click on Home button and choose Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down over here, click on Apps section and select Default Apps. Following that, click on Home app and select iOS Launcher. Lastly, select Got It, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my TCL. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings and selecting Apps, then Default Apps, now Home app, and finally Launcher. You can go back to iOS one the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!